Hey guys, Tashtila everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's recipe I'm going to show you how to make buff thukpa, which is very simple and easy and classy look. So let's get started how to make. So guys, before start the video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share with your friends and family. And if you want to know how to make this classy buff thukpa, don't skip the video. Stay with me and just watch full video. So without wasting time, let's get started. So first I'm gonna boil the meat, and meat here I'm gonna boil 2 times. So first I'm gonna boil for 2-3 minutes. So once you start to boil, you can see all the dirty and foam will come upside. So we need to remove this. Once it's done, I'm gonna remove the water and just wash for in running water. Now this is the final step, we're gonna boil properly meat. So here is the seasoning here I'm going to use. So if you want to know seasoning ingredient list, you can check out my description box. I will leave the all ingredient list there. So now I'm gonna cook the meat 1 to 1.5 hour. I'm gonna boil this until not properly cook the meat. You have to boil. Now once I start to boil the water, I'm gonna reduce my heat and keep in medium low flame. Now this water we need to completely dry. Once it completely dry the water, one more time I'm gonna add, and again I'm gonna boil for 30 minutes. I'm gonna fry the peanuts. Add just a little bit oil, and I'm gonna add peanuts. Add the peanuts and keep in low flame, and you have to start continuously until peanut will not golden brown color. Once the peanuts golden brown color, turn off the heat and add just a little bit salt and just mix and set aside. Now my meat also already cooked. Meat and soup both are ready now. Now I'm gonna take out the meat and let them cool down the meat properly. Okay, set aside the meat. Now let's prepare the other ingredient. Add just half teaspoon of salt, and next I'm gonna add salad leaves. You can use spinach, bok choy, whatever you have, you can go with that, and just boil for 30 seconds. Once the salad leaves become soft, take out and just put in cold water. Next I'm gonna boil the noodles. So noodle here I take Japanese noodle. You can use any kind of noodle as you want. And boil the noodle until not cooked properly. The same timing I'm gonna slice my meat also. The meat is already cooled down. Now you can slice whatever you want, any kind of shape. You can cut into bite pieces. Now my noodle also ready. Now I'm gonna remove the water. Remove the water and just wash for running water for 2-3 times. Now I'm gonna stand the soup, and now all ingredient is ready for serving. Now take a one bowl and add the noodles. The top on the noodle I'm gonna add hot soup. Now place it the all topping ingredient which is we prepared before. Alright guys, my simple and healthy bab thukpa is ready. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want to know about the more recipe guys, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, like, share with your friends and family. And thank you so much for watching my video, and we'll see you in next video. Bye bye.